So, today we're going to be opening this Laferrari. That's so silly. Made by Maisto, special edition. Purchased at Costco, which is amazing. So, let's open this. With our little Tim, who's going to be turning 3. Happy birthday, big guy.
Happy birthday, big guy.
That's so silly. Look at this, Timka. Look at this car. Do you like it? How nice is it?
Could you cut it?
Sure. You want me to cut what? Show me what you want to cut.
This?
Yeah, I cut the plastic. Where are we gonna cut it? Oh no! First I have to remove the car from this base. And we're gonna be able to cut all of this stuff. I need to go get a screwdriver. Did you see the cat? She wants to go on top. Take a look at the cat.
Where's Meow Meow? Where's Meow Meow?
Look at the kitchen counter.
No, Meow Meow.
Let's go
He's
up there.
trying to get up there. Oh, that's so funny.
You taking the screws, Timka? Pick it up. Alright, Timka, look at this Ferrari. Oh, it doesn't drive. Because of this little plastic and this little plastic.
And this little.
Yeah, okay. Careful fingers. Take the plastic off. Thank you. Okay, take this one off. Pull this one off. Nice. And this one off.
Careful fingers.
Okay, go. Pull it off. Carefully. Good job, Timka! Awesome! Okay, now you can take the car and look at it. Did you see how the doors open? Isn't it funny? Yeah, that's the noise a Ferrari makes. It was like this. I don't own a Ferrari, so I assume that's what it sounds like.
Could you go get those ones?
Oh, wait, Timka, we have to see this one. Look at the big motor. Ta-da! Did you see how it opens?
Why did they just put another motor here?
Because you see, Italian race cars, they have a motor in the back. This is an American Jeep. So the Jeep has a motor in the front, here. See? You can open it like this and see the Jeep motor. There you go.
Why have Jeeps here?
That's why they have motor in the front.
Why?
That's how they're built. And the Ferrari has a big motor in the back. Look at these wires and stuff. And look, Timka. Look, you can use this to hold the motor, the hood, open. Very nice. Timka, how do the doors open? Can you show us the doors? Do they open? Oh, they open upwards. That's so silly. Nice.
Here?
And here, does it open? Does it open maybe here? Whoa, look at this. It opens like this.
What's there?
Show us.
There's these.
What's inside? What is inside here? It's the radiator fan.
And here?
And here, it's nothing. This is the wiper. You know the squishy thing? Swish, swish. Yes, good job, Timka. That's a nice Ferrari. Oh, you can't close it because remember? These support sticks right here. Oh, there you go. Oop, oop. Close my hood. Vroom, vroom. Does it drive well?
These are race cars.
Yeah. Jeep and a race car.
Ooh.